Welcome to Autos Insight, your go-to channel for reliable car tips, maintenance advice, and vehicle diagnostics. In today's video, we're focusing on a crucial engine component that often goes unnoticed until it fails: the crankshaft position sensor. This small but essential part plays a key role in your vehicle's engine performance, and when it starts to go bad, it can cause a range of troubling symptoms. Understanding the warning signs of a faulty crankshaft position sensor can help you take action before it leads to serious engine issues or even a breakdown. The crankshaft position sensor is responsible for monitoring the position and rotational speed of the crankshaft. This information is sent to the engine control unit, or ECU, which uses it to manage fuel injection timing, ignition timing, and other critical engine functions. If this sensor begins to fail, it can disrupt the engine's operation in several ways. One of the most common symptoms is difficulty starting the engine. Since the ECU relies on signals from the crankshaft sensor to know when to ignite the fuel-air mixture, a failing sensor can cause the engine to crank but not start, or to start intermittently. Another major symptom is engine misfiring or rough idling. When the sensor provides inaccurate data, the timing of the fuel injection and spark can become irregular. This leads to engine misfires, vibrations, or even stalling, especially when the engine is idling. Drivers may also notice that the vehicle runs fine when cold but begins to act up once it reaches normal operating temperature. This happens because failing sensors sometimes work briefly when cool but stop functioning as they heat up. You might also experience poor acceleration or sluggish performance. A malfunctioning crankshaft sensor can cause the ECU to limit engine power as a precaution, resulting in reduced throttle response. In some cases, the car may go into limp mode, where it restricts performance to prevent damage. This is a protective measure by the vehicle's computer, but it's also a clear sign that something is wrong. Another warning sign is decreased fuel efficiency. When the ECU doesn't receive accurate information about the crankshaft's position, it may inject fuel at the wrong time or in the wrong amount. This leads to increased fuel consumption, which you might notice as more frequent trips to the gas station. Finally, one of the most telling signs of a bad crankshaft position sensor is the check engine light turning on. While the light can indicate various issues, a diagnostic scan tool can confirm whether the crankshaft sensor is the source. Error codes like P0335 often point directly to problems with this sensor. If you suspect a faulty crankshaft position sensor, it's important to have it diagnosed and replaced as soon as possible. Ignoring it can lead to worsening symptoms, engine damage, or complete failure to start the car. While some drivers may be able to replace it on their own, it's best to consult a mechanic, especially if you're unsure. Have you ever dealt with a bad crankshaft position sensor? Share your experience in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert car advice right here on Autos Insight.